Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to control who can DM you on Discord in just a few quick steps. In the sidebar on the left, click Messaging Permissions to open the privacy controls for direct messages. The main content area refreshes and displays the messaging privacy settings page with several control sections laid out vertically. Now click Direct Messages in that same sidebar. This opens the Direct Message Permissions screen, where you'll see two main sections controlling who can contact you. At the top is Friend Request Permissions, which governs who can send you requests, and below that is Direct Message Permissions, which controls who can send you actual messages. Each section contains toggles and explanatory text describing what the setting does. Under Friend Request Permissions at the top, you'll see a toggle labeled Everyone. Click that toggle to turn it off, which prevents strangers from sending you friend requests. The toggle slides to the left and changes from blue to gray, confirming the setting is now disabled. With this off, only friends of friends or server members can send you requests, depending on your other privacy settings. This is useful if you're getting unwanted requests from accounts you don't recognize. To show you how this works, we'll turn the Everyone toggle back on. Click it again, and the toggle switches back to the on position, allowing friend requests from anyone. The toggle slides back to the right and turns blue again, indicating the setting is active. Your privacy controls update instantly without needing to save, so any changes you make here take effect immediately. If you want to lock down your DMs completely, disable both the Everyone toggle under Friend Request Permissions and the Server Members toggle under Direct Message Permissions. That way, only people already on your friends list can message you. You can also control DM permissions server by server. Right-click any server icon, select Privacy Settings, and toggle off Allow Direct Messages from server members for that server. To undo these changes later, just head back to User Settings, click Direct Messages in the sidebar, and turn the toggles back on. And that's how to control who can DM you on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.